In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your taskbar right here transparent, all right? Especially on Windows 11. So what we're going to do here is just basically go to our search bar and type in Microsoft Store. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it to open up the store. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and go to the search bar and type in TranslucentTB, all right? Once that's done, just hit on enter. Now, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on TranslucentTB right here, which has this picture. All right, click on get and wait for it to download. You can also use these other applications right here if it works for you. All right, but I know this one is working properly. As you can see here, it got 4.4 stars. So I'm just going to click on open. Now let's just wait for the magic to happen. All right, as you can see here, the moment this prompt popped out, the taskbar right here is translucent or transparent. All right, just hit on continue. Now you can change some settings right here by going to your taskbar, right click on it. And as you can see, desktop right here. You can use opaque, clear, blur, or acrylic. It's up to you. Let's try blur. Same stuff. Right click. Here in advanced, you can go ahead and click the edit settings button right here. And you can go ahead and edit these commands here manually. All right. If not, just close this one. As you can see here, there are a lot of stuffs right here. You can go ahead and play around with these settings. All right. But if you're happy with this translucent effect, just go ahead and leave it as is and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.